Hi everyone, Adina here with your October 2019 market update. So we've had a very busy start to the fall market. If you've been keeping an eye on what's been going on, you're starting to see properties move quicker. We're starting to see home buyer demand return to more historically typical levels. So sales in September were up about 5% relative to August, and they were up 46% relative to September last year. If we look at it compared to the 10-year sales average for the month, we see that last month's sales were down only about 2% relative to this average. On the listing side, we're also starting to see inventory levels starting to moderate. So whereas they were going up very rapidly in the spring, we're starting to see them taper off now. Listings in September were pretty flat relative to August, and they were up only about 3% relative to last year. So the combination of these two factors has helped our market rebalance, and we're starting to see a steady pace happening in a lot of the submarkets throughout Vancouver. We're currently seeing the sales to active listings ratio sitting at 17%, and if we break that down by property type, we'll see detached is sitting at 13%, which is still in somewhat buyer's market conditions. Townhomes are at 19% and condos at 22%. So again, if we break this down, it's a little bit interesting to see what's going on here, because the detached segment, we're seeing actually very different markets. We see West Vancouver, West Side, and Richmond all below the 10% range, so they're hovering between 8 to 9%. But if we look at East Vancouver, the sales to active listings ratio for detached is sitting at 18%, and in North Vancouver, it's at 17%. So both of those ranges are in very healthy, balanced markets, closer to a buyer's market. We see that the strongest submarket right now for condo and townhome properties is the Vancouver East Side market with a 31% sales to active listings ratio, and North Vancouver following a close second with 23%. So again, it's really important to know what's going on in the different neighborhoods that you're looking in and the different price categories and submarket types. So if you want to know what's going on with your specific neighborhood or in your building or what's happening with your property type, get in touch with me and I can show you exactly what's going on. That's it for now. We're going to keep a very close eye on where the market goes the next few months. Have a great rest of the month and see you guys in November.